Check out this world first killer AI app that actually builds us the 5 profitable affiliate funnels pre-filled with content, reviews and lead magnets in just 60 minutes. So this is an amazing tool, guys, which you could go on to purchasing, and you can see the capabilities of this tool as it actually goes on to creating affiliate funnel sites with pre-filled content and also reviews and lead magnet in just 60 minutes or 60 seconds right here. And you can see right here, then you just simply have to just simply promote them to our secret buyer network of 496 million users. That's quite amazing right here, because with such users you can actually start making such cool amount right here. As you can see, guys, which is actually making us about $955.45 right there commission daily with literally zero work. And you're not actually going to be doing any designing. You don't actually need to go on to do any copywriting, no hosting. Even 100% beginner can actually take advantage of this particular platform right here. So basically, guys, you're actually going to eliminate all the guesswork and jump straight to the results with the help of this particular platform. You're actually going to let AI find hundreds of the gurus profitable funnels. You're actually going to let AI create proven money funnels and autopilot. All the copywriting and designing is actually done for you. You do generate 100% SEO and money optimized funnels, instant high converting traffic for 100% free, which does not actually need to run ads. You do get 98% of beta testers made at least one sale within 24 hours of using NinjaAI. And guys, this is actually a true AI app that leverages ChatGPT for it. Actually connects your favorite autoresponders and build your list fast. You actually do get seamless integration with any payment processor you want, zero upfront cost, and a lot more other features right here with the help of this particular AI called the NinjaAI. So just simply go on to grabbing hold of this particular AI. If you do click on buy now, you'll be able to purchase this particular AI tool. And guys, if you do purchase this AI tool, you do get some bonus package from me, and in getting that bonus package from me, you just simply have to follow 3 simple steps. And guys, if you want to just simply follow these 3 simple steps, as you can actually do get bonuses that include internet marketing, online business, making money online, affiliate marketing, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube marketing, and a lot more other stuff right there. So just simply use the link in the description of this video to go on to purchasing that particular AI tool, which is the NinjaAI, because the link will be made available to you in the description of this video. So once you do use that particular link, just simply follow these 3 steps. You want to visit our channel, which is called the Tech Point Review, or use the link in the bio of this particular video or the description of this video to purchase this particular NinjaAI. And if you do that, guys, move on to the step 2, which is to purchase the product with that link and actually screenshot that particular purchase, then send to this email address right here. You could go on to pause in this video and copy out this email address. Once you do that, you then want to just simply wait for the step 3, which is actually waiting for our confirmation for that particular purchase. And once we do confirm that, you do get a bonus bundle to your email address very shortly. And such bonus bundles actually ranges from the 7-figure mastery guide, Amazon affiliate profit, the ClickBank marketing secrets, modern email marketing, modern video marketing, TikTok ad training, the YouTube channel SEO, and a lot more other stuff that can actually help you maximize your income with the NinjaAI. So just simply grab hold of that right now. And if you do keep on scrolling, guys, because this page will be made available to you in the description of this video, you'll be able to see that link right there. Use that link, head on to this platform, and you'll be able to see more details about this AI tool. And all you actually need to do is to just simply follow 3 steps right here to gain access to this AI tool. Use the link in the description of this video and actually do go on to clicking on any links below to get instant access to this particular AI, which is the NinjaAI, for as low or for a low one-time fee. And once you do get that, guys, you want to just simply choose a niche and let the AI take care of everything for you. Once you do that, you just start actually making profit with this AI tool, because there is no technical setup, there is no learning curve, and we actually make money daily on this particular platform. And guys, you can actually see some reasons why you do select NinjaAI, and you could just see the steps right here. Select a niche, find AI gurus that actually do that in that particular niche, and AI legally steals their profitable funnels, You also want to let the AI create money making funnels on autopilot. You get fast results. You don't actually need to do any form of designing, no hosting, no paid ads, and no other stuff such as that. Just simply take advantage of this particular platform right now. So like I explained to you earlier guys, this AI tool actually eliminates all the guesswork which you do actually have. With the NinjaAI, you don't actually have to guess or hope for any working funnel. This AI actually does the work for you right here. And guys, you don't want to miss out on this right here. As you can see, these are actually payment proof of this AI right here, and what a lot of people have actually been earning from this platform. You could see right here the total amount which they've been earning, which is quite a handsome amount right here, and this is actually in a very short amount of time. So just simply grab hold of this AI tool right now and actually start using it. And again guys, you want to just simply use the link in the description of this exact same video. So click on that particular link right there and you'll be able to come to this particular page, or if you do come to this page, simply click on buy now, or it's actually going to take you directly to that particular AI for you to go on to purchasing that AI tool, which is called the NinjaAI. And if you do purchase that tool, make sure you do follow these 3 steps to actually get my bonus package. The step 1, head on to TechPoint Review or use the link in the bio to purchase that product. Step 2, go on to selling that and screenshotting that particular purchase and send it to this email address, which is the mikra.a@gmail.com. and if you do send it to this email address, you then want to move on to the step 3, which is to confirm your purchase. And once we do confirm your purchase right here, you'll be sent a bundle, that is your bonus bundle, to your email shortly. And that bonus bundle actually contains some cool and amazing stuff that can actually help you maximize your income with the help of this AI tool called the NinjaAI. So I hope you do simply go on to grabbing hold of this AI and start utilizing its capabilities to make money right now. So that's it for now. I do wish this video has been of help to you. If yes, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.